Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Happy Halloween. It is Thursday, October the 31st. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. We've gone several weeks without any rain, and of course, the best rain chance is going to have to be on Halloween. And yes, trick-or-treaters will be dodging some scattered showers and thunderstorms later on today. This morning, though, a lot more cloud cover than what we've seen. The wind speeds have stayed up enough that we're not seeing any fog, but when you walk out the door, it's going to feel a lot more like summer with an ample amount of moisture in place, and those dew points are quite high. And with a front coming in from the west, we're going to see a better chance for showers and thunderstorms. And there on the traffic cams, we're just looking at dry conditions right now, but there have been some scattered storms, especially back to our west and northwest, and there could be some light drizzle starting to slide in from the Gulf of Mexico over the southern sections as we head into the morning hours. Most of the students, though, will be dealing with mostly cloudy skies this morning, with temperatures hovering in the 70s, but there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon as they get back on the bus. Temperatures will be reaching the lower 80s for daytime highs. Right now, it is very muggy. In fact, we're record setting across the region as temperatures have remained in the mid 70s, well above normal for the last day of October. And looking at the big radar, we've got a big line of thunderstorms stretching from Missouri across Arkansas into Texas. That's the front. And then we still have some moisture that's sliding in from the Gulf of Mexico. So on the local radar, we are seeing some of that light rain and drizzle start to pull in. And with a little more instability this afternoon, I think we'll get some thunderstorms going. But that deeper trough is starting to flatten out now over the west. So what that means is the frontal boundary is going to slow down to a crawl and eventually kind of wash out to our northwest. So those cooler temperatures that are behind the front will not be reaching the Acadiana area even into the weekend. And you can see that upper level pattern as that low starts to pull off toward the northeast will flatten out a bit. So again, that front is going to be more parallel with the upper level pattern. So it starts to slow down and eventually will stall out over northwestern portions of Louisiana. But there's going to be enough instability to get some scattered showers and thunderstorms going. But the moisture is going to remain in place. So even though showers and thunderstorms will become more likely this afternoon and even into this evening, it looks like we'll still see some rain chances on Friday, and then as the front kind of washes out over the weekend, we'll get back to partly cloudy skies. But as far as the trick-or-treaters, it's going to be warm, it's going to be muggy, and there will be showers and thunderstorms out there. Remember, be safe when it comes to the lightning. If there's some rain out there, it's generally okay to do some trick-or-treating, and you might score a little bit more as there would be less trick-or-treaters out there. But if there's lightning, remember, don't go outside when there's lightning because that can be quite dangerous. And even this particular short-range model, high-resolution model, is showing some scattered thunderstorms in and around the area. This is the map for about 6 o'clock this evening. So again, just be checking the radar. You might be able to get some trick-or-treating done in between those scattered showers and thunderstorms. But overall, between today, tomorrow, and maybe the early part of Saturday, there are some areas that could pick up as much as 3 inches of rain. I think a good 1 to 2 inch average is going to be around the Acadiana region this time around. But again, the ground is quite dry, so hopefully this doesn't come down all at once. Temperatures today will reach the lower to middle 80s with a little more cloud cover. And again, we're not going to get that cooler air mass. So even though North Texas is going to see temperatures in the 40s, here at home, we are going to be staying in the 70s for early Friday morning. And there's a quick look at the wave heights there in the offshore water. Still a bit of a pressure gradient there, so the winds are going to be elevated and the seas as well. So we're going to be seeing 3 to 4 foot seas in our nearshore waters, and there is still quite a bit of moisture out in the Gulf that will be able to lift northward. So as the air mass saturates, the chances for rain will be increasing. Of course, we've been watching the tropics too, and we've seen some interesting solutions with the computer models over the last several days, now that we're getting within that 7 to 10 day range. But the National Hurricane Center still thinks that we're going to see a gathering of tropical moisture, and there's a tropical wave that's south of Puerto Rico that will continue to move westward. So low pressure is expected to develop over the western part of the Caribbean, and we're still expecting the possibility of a tropical depression or tropical storm forming sometime maybe this weekend or the early part of next week. And a lot of the models are having this drift toward the Yucatan Channel. and possibly get into the Gulf of Mexico. Of course, we'll go through all the details and go through all of the different models on Let's Talk Tropics. That's live today on Acadiana Weather Today at noon. Your high 82, still about a 70% chance that you'll get at least some rain during the day today, scattered thunderstorms though. And again this evening, those thunderstorms will be in and around the area. So kind of keep the radar with you if you want to try to sneak in some trick-or-treating in between scattered showers and thunderstorms. But remember, lightning safety is very important. Tomorrow, scattered showers and rain will still be lingering around with temperatures around 83. And then I think we'll get back to partly cloudy skies as we head into the weekend, but temperatures are going to remain on the warm side. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications. And don't forget, on Monday, you'll be hearing my forecasts on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. In between all of those weather forecasts, please follow my social media pages both on Facebook and X. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. If I don't see you at noon, I hope to see you on Friday. Have a great Halloween.